over 15 years, I work with AB, the dental company, because of their good service. You can talk to them, you can explain what you want. They can find out a solution for you. They work hard only to give you a solution for the patient, for the case. And also the quality of the material of the implants. I visited in the factories and I look at the whole line of producing the implants. It's really amazing. As a surgeon, I get a lot of cases that they are not really treatable. They have a loss of bone, 3 dimension, and no one just can put a single regular implant. AB department has the opportunity to have a custom implants. They produce for you a specific implants for your specific cases. I think it's a good solution and the best solution for the patient. I have enough experience. I used so many implants, thousands of implants, for the last 15 years. And I can tell you that what is most important is the service, and you feel like a family in that company. Whatever you feel like, you can call them anytime. You can get a solution. They work hard and they don't sleep till they give you the solution for the patient and for the case.